Why do housekeeping tasks get missed even when teams work hard? The problem is often a lack of standard procedures, which leads to inconsistent cleaning, weaker compliance, and communication gaps. A housekeeping SOP template brings structure to daily work and helps teams stay safe, efficient, and accountable. A housekeeping SOP template supports consistent cleaning methods across departments and helps teams meet health and safety requirements. It also increases accountability and reduces daily operational errors. For new staff, it simplifies onboarding, and for managers, it improves readiness for inspections while supporting cleaner environments and stronger customer satisfaction. A well-structured housekeeping SOP begins with purpose and scope, including cleaning objectives, department responsibilities, work areas, and compliance requirements. It also defines roles and responsibilities, such as supervisor duties, cleaner responsibilities, inspection requirements, and reporting procedures. Another core section covers approved chemicals, protective equipment, equipment lists, storage procedures, and maintenance checks. The SOP also needs clear cleaning procedures for dusting, vacuuming, mopping, restroom cleaning, waste disposal, and high-touch sanitization. Safety and inspections cover protective equipment use, chemical handling, slip hazard prevention, visual cleanliness checks, and corrective actions. Documentation includes cleaning logs, inspection reports, incident reporting, corrective action tracking, and maintenance requests. Housekeeping SOPs matter across hotels, hospitals, offices, schools, warehouses, retail, and manufacturing. These sectors depend on daily cleaning to protect people, support safe and productive environments, and meet hygiene and safety regulations. Without strong systems, teams face missed tasks, inconsistent inspections, poor reporting, limited visibility, supply shortages, and weak accountability. eAuditor Audits and Inspections helps organizations digitize housekeeping SOPs through mobile checklists, automated workflows, and real-time analytics. Staff can complete inspections on mobile devices, add notes, capture photos, upload documents, and flag issues instantly. The platform also generates reports automatically and tracks completion rates, missed inspections, supply shortages, and staff performance trends. When inspections find problems, eAuditor can create corrective actions so managers assign responsibilities, set deadlines, track progress, verify resolution, and monitor overdue tasks. Organizations with many facilities can centralize housekeeping data in one dashboard to compare performance and spot recurring issues. Best practices include standardizing procedures, training staff regularly, conducting routine inspections, and using digital inspection tools. Strong housekeeping depends on clear procedures, defined responsibilities, safe methods, and reliable documentation. When those basics are weak, missed tasks and poor visibility can follow. With standardized SOPs and digital tools like eAuditor, you can improve consistency, reporting, accountability, and operational control across facilities.